Panels, stand partly as proposition team, I will present to you why supporting this motion is worth it. So, first let's characterization it. I think that this motion is happen in Asian countries. As the Asian countries, you get labeled as third countries and backward countries. So, as the government of ASEAN, you must prove to the world that your country is good and not only milking the tourism through the culture and nature industry. So, we think that this is also happened in the globalization era. In the globalization era, you have the access, you can easily access the information to the internet, and the international flight is cheaper and also can be a lot cheaper than the regional flight itself. So I think that cost is not the problem. So the visitor from especially from the foreign countries will be visit your countries, and the cost is will not be the obstacle. So what is the manifestation? We want to have a countries that is not only depending the tourism in culture and nature only, but also in the medical industry. So your country can have a sustainable devisa. So, what is the manifestation? Your countries will not get labeled as backwards countries. You have a good medical for your citizen and also for the tourists, and people from the overseas will come to your country so they can get treated as well from their disease. So move into our framing panels. If you don't do what us do, your countries will um, ah, not many people that will visit your countries, but the visitor of your countries also will get bored because the nature and the culture industry is not sustainable. And just it. So what is the mechanism? First, we will we will highly standardize our facilities at the healthcare. So the healthcare system is will be good. The healthcare system it will be at international levels. So the people from the overseas will be come to your countries and get treated. So what is in the end? We will have an accessible and cheap and also international standardized medicine that the people will visit your country just to get it. And what is the beneficial for the locals? They will not only get beneficial from the tourism itself, but they will get a benefit from the medical sector itself with a highly qualified sector. So this is a win-win solution between the government, between the citizen, and also for the foreigners. So this is a proportional debate. I think that in the proposal debate we must get we must get presented to the jury which this mechanism is better, which is the world is better, and we think this is exclusive in our side. So disclaimer panels, just because we have medical tourism, it's not mean that we will abandon the nature and culture industry of the tourism. It's not. Uh, the fact is, we want to this sector to be diversified, so there is will not uh, happen is over tourism, which you can see in Bali. We will this is to be more diversified, and we want to make the people have a justification to visit our country, not only just because we have a good medical. So move into our argument. Our argument is to make a diversification in in the tourism sector, but also we want to make a good healthcare from the citizen. What is happened in status quo? What is happened in status quo is your country is still depend on the nature and the culture sector of the industry of tourism, and also this is also segmented only a only not just only a few people that have interests in this industry that will visit your country. Because of what? Because nature or culture are not inclusive. Other countries have it and they are just have it. So this is bad because tourists eventually will not have a justification to visit your country, and also this is will be get more worse because your country have a over tourism in certain point, like just see in the Bali, in the uh, Bangkok, they have over tourism, so they have get worse in the area of world. So what this will happen if you not do what we do, you will have a dependency on the nature and on the nature and culture sector. This is not sustainable, and people will be get bored. And this is this is my this is what will happen in our side. In our side, people will be have more justification to visit their countries, and this is also sustainable just because this is unique and only available in your countries, and this is much more cheaper than the other countries, so people will visit your country because they think this is worth it. And what will happen in the opposition side, so let's see the best. In the best, they will have a tourism that depends on this nature and culture sector, and this is not sustainable, and also they will have a over tourism that eventually will make people get bored, and more worse in the worst scenario area, they will not have a good healthcare facility that this is exclusive that only happen in our side. But what will happen in our side as proposition, the best scenario that one, we will have a good quality healthcare that will be standing in international quality, but also this is will make the tourism visit is more sustainable because you will have a constant flow of people that want to get treated in your country. So yeah, this is will be diversified your tourism and make and don't make over tourism happen in your country. But what is the worst we still have a sector of nature and culture as our safety net, but also we have a good facility of healthcare that can be accessed for the citizen of the country. So in the end, we think this is worth it to support because of three things. One, this is sustainable, this and two, this is reliable, and three, this is beneficial for all side of government, for the citizen, and for the foreign. Proud to be the proposition team.